Hey, what makes a Bodhran What makes a Bodhran a Bodhran? The answer to my question is playing both sides of the drum skin simultaneously. Simultaneously, one hand predominantly playing the rhythm and on the inside of the skin, the other hand voicing that rhythm. In my 45 years of playing kit drums and percussion setups, this drum, the Bodhran, is amongst the most expressive. I have, however, brought the definitive elements of DrumKit, Pulse and Ostinato, as you may have noticed, together with the Bodhran. In my new course, Whole Body Bodhran, 5 elements, bringing together both hands, of course, with the Pulse and the Ostinato, all threaded together and coordinated by your drummer's brain. This is element 1 of the course, and it's about becoming your own teacher. It's about conscious purpose. It's about thinking, reacting, and listening as a drummer, and moving from subjective analysis to objective analysis in assessing your own playing. That's element 1. Element 2 is the tipper, and more precisely, the tipper on the head, looking at modes and nodes of a stretched membrane and how it interacts and works together with the tipper. That's element 2. Element 3 is the tone hand in the back of the drum, and here we're dealing with pitch, duration, and timbre, and a little bit on drum construction. You're looking at the back of my custom built 20-inch Bodhran there. So we'll touch on the build of the Bodhran as well. Element 4 brings the heart of groove into the picture. Pulse. In this case, it's my 18-inch rototom providing the pulse, but it could be a cajon or some sort of stomp. It's the interplay of pulse with the voicing on your Bodhran, which has the potential to really enhance your groove, create a visceral and instantly danceable feel that your audience and your bass player will love. That's Pulse, the quintessential element. Number 5, no less, is the timekeeper. The non-dominant foot becomes the singular time reference for the band. Keeping the band together with the one consistent, non-obtrusive timekeeping sound, be it a foot shekere, custom foot shekere there, or a foot cabasa, or a foot tambourine. The ostinato foot, not to be underestimated, keeps the whole show together. That's my course in a nutshell. It's designed to transform your playing, as it has mine, from accompanist to taking on the roles more consistent with a conventional drummer, that of conductor, timekeeper, and engine room for the band. I'm Mark Campbell. This is Symmetrical Drumming. Join me on my new course. I'll see you here.